that associative property. So today I will discuss the addition first. Addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay. Now associative means just in case of addition, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. So bracket means we understood that first do that p plus c, then add with a, and if a plus first a plus b then c, if the both the result are same for the number abc, addition of abc satisfy the associative rule. In this way, if we will move for an example, 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9, what will be the result? Quickly answer it. What will be the result? So you will get, sir, 2 by 9, this one is 1 plus 5, that is 6 by 9, and you add 8 by 9. Okay, and next if I change 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9, just add it, 2 plus 1 3 by 9 plus 5 by 9, so you get 8 by 9. So both the results 8 by 9 and 8 by 9 are same. So addition of rational number follows the associative property. The addition of rational number follows the associative property. It is clear to everyone? Yes or no? Quickly answer it in the chat box. It is clear that just I am changing the bracket, 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9, and the second part 2 by 9 1 by 9, but result are same. So it means that addition of rational number follows the associative property. Now subtraction, just do it in the same way. Okay, so you will get that 2 by 9 minus of 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9. What result you will give? What result you will get? 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Obviously it is minus 4 by 9. Now 2 by 9 minus of minus 4 by 9. So minus plus, that is 6 by 9. Got it everyone? Minus plus, minus into minus plus, 2 plus 4, 6 by 9. And in another thing, 2 by 9 minus 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Tell me the result. What you will get? So you will get 2 by 9 minus 1 by 9, 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9. That is minus 4 by 9. So one answer minus 4 by 9, another is 6 by 9. In the both cases numbers are same, but one result give you 6 by 9, another result give you minus 4 by 9. So this is not. So subtraction of rational number do not follows the associative property. It is clear to all the students? It is clear, yes or no? Clarity, students? So write it down in the chat box that associative property, subtraction of rational number do not follows the associative property. Okay? Quickly answer. Everyone write it down quickly. Associative property, subtraction of rational number do not follows the associative property. Quickly, only 3. Already 10 students are here, and only the 3 students are typing only. It's very bad. 8 point students. All of you should answer. Okay, next. Quickly. Look at the board. Look at the board. 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 9. What will be the answer? Tell me quickly. What will be the answer? 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 9. Quickly answer, anyone? Only 2 students. Remaining students are Sakshi and that Akash Ali, Ishita Roy, Kavya Datta, Malika Khatun, Misbahul, Sanchari, Sobik, all are remain silent. Why? Okay, 4 students have answered. That Sakshi, Sobik not answering, Sanchari, Tomojit and Tirthankar. And remaining students, what is going on? It's simply multiplication. 2 into 1, 2 by 9 into 2 by 9, that is 4 by 81. Okay. 3 3s are 9. Look at the board, everyone. Not 4 by 27. Two into 1, 2, 3 into 3, 9. Then 2 by 9. 2 2s are 4 and 81. Class 8 Pine students, they are answering that only one, that is Sakshi. So big, 4 by 80, 4 by 27. How it is possible? Those who are remain silent in my class, I will remove them from the call. If you have any problem, you have also interact with me. Next one. Tell me the answer. So 2 by 3, 1 into 2, 27. So 2 2s are 4, 4 into 81. So both the parts are equal. Both the parts are equal. So multiplication also follows the associative property. Multiplication also follows the associative property. Okay, next. Division. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. 3 by 7 divided by 2 by 7 divided by 2 by 9. What will be the answer? Quickly. So that is (27 by 4). 27 by 4. Now change it like that. (27 by 49). So these two are not equal. These two are not equal. It means division does not follow the associative property. Division does not follow the associative property. Okay, it is clear, students? Now, so we have discussed the associative property. Next, students, distributive. I hope you can practice at your home what is distributive property. Distributive property under addition and multiplication, that is AB plus BC. It means A into, sorry, AB plus AC. It means A into B plus C. A into B plus C. That is the distributive law. Distributive law under addition and multiplication. So you can practice at your home. Now, what is multiplicative additive identity? In class 6, in class 6 or class 7, you have learned that what is identity. Anyone can say? Anyone can say what is additive identity? What is additive identity? The number, which number is additive identity? Anyone? Class 8 Pine. Anyone can say what is additive identity? It's very bad. 0 is called additive identity. Why it is called additive identity? Because a number, if you add with that 0, same number return. That's why 0 is called additive identity. That's why it is called additive identity. For an example, if I add a number with 2, you will get 2. That number is 0. So 2 is called additive identity. 2 is called additive identity. And multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity? What is multiplicative identity? Anyone? Yes, 1. 1 is called multiplicative identity. Why it is multiplicative identity? 2 into something, the result is 2. That is only 1. That is multiplicative identity. So additive identity is 0 and multiplicative identity is 1. Next things. Additive inverse. Additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse means to add a number such that you will get 0. To add a number such that you will get at 0. That is additive identity. No. A plus B equal to B plus A. Onik. Wrong. Yes, minus 2. Minus 2. So additive inverse of any number, additive inverse, for an example, A by B is additive inverse will be minus A by B. Got it, everyone? Clear it is. Additive inverse of A by B is minus A by B. For an example, 2 by 3. Additive inverse of 2 by 3. Who can say? Additive inverse of 2 by 3. Who can say? Quickly answer. Quickly answer. Additive inverse of 2 by 3. No. Okay. No, Sakshi, wrong. Additive inverse of 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. If you add this 2, you will get 0. You will get 0. Next, 5 by 9. What is the additive identity? Additive inverse of 5 by 9. What is the additive inverse of 5 by 9? Quickly answer it. Minus 5 by 9. Very good. Who answers? Sakshi. Very good. Sanchari also. Minus 5, not 9 by 5. Only wrong. That is 5 by 9 additive inverse. Additive inverse of 5 by 9 is minus 5 by 9. Okay? Clear it is? Okay. So minus 5 by 9. Now, next one, I want to see who will be the first 5 students who can answer. Minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Additive inverse of minus. Type it correctly. Minus 5 by 9. What is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9? Minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Okay. Sakshi, Tirthankar, Sanchari, Tomojit, Sanchari. Okay. First I have answered. Isita. Okay. Yes, 4 by 3. Additive inverse of minus 4 by 3. That is 4 by 3. Clear it is? Okay. Next and last of additive inverse. Last of additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 11 by 4. Quickly. Additive inverse of minus 11 by 4. Yes, plus 11 by 4. Okay, that is additive inverse. I hope it is clear. So additive inverse is clear, yes or no? Okay, next, additive multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means a by b, multiply a number such that you get 1. Multiplication with a by, for rational number a by b, multiply the number such that you get a by 1. So obviously it will be b by a. Obviously it will be b by a. So answer it 2 by 3. Multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. Multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. Quickly answer. Quickly answer. Multiplicative Tirthankar, very fast, very good. 3 by 2, very good. Tomojit, 3 by 2, well done. Sakshi, 3 by 2, very good. Very good. Akash Ali, very good. Sovik, no, not minus 2 by 3. Wrong. Sovik also wrong. Sovik wrong. Wrong. That is 2 by 3. It multiplicative inverse is 3 by 2. Clear? Next one. 7 by 4. Multiplicative inverse of 7 by 4. Quickly answer it. Multiplicative inverse of 7 by 4. 4 by 7. Oh my god. Sanchari fast. Sanchari, Sakshi, Tirthankar, Tomojit, Onik. Very good. Sovik, very good. Well done. Now class 8 point students are awaking. এতক্ষণ ঘুমোচ্ছিল মনে হচ্ছে ক্লাসে। নেক্সট and last one minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. What is the additive multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 4? Minus 7 by 4. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 4? Onik, very good Onik. Sanchari, very good. Tomojit, very good. Sakshi, very good. Tirthankar, Sovik, very good. Well done. Kabo, well done. Isita, well done. Very good. So how many students have answered? Akash Ali, well done. So it is clear. So up to today I have discussed up to additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. So minus 4 by 7 is the multi. Because if you multiply minus into minus 4 by 7, so result will be 1. Minus plus 4 remove 7 remove. So students, I hope today what I have discussed is clear to all of you. If you have any problem, tell me, I will repeat it again. Okay. And next day I will enter into the exercise. Okay, clear it is.